outline in the dark, can hear the blood run in your heart when we're in each other's arms. Stillness of the night is here with all the riot of our fear. Try to reopen our scars, but nothing in this life is real.